Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy pot of stewed chicken, Pollo Guisado. And these are just some of the basic ingredients that we're going to be using. So I'm going to start off with the fresh veggies first. This is 1 medium onion. This is 2 leaves of culantro. No, I'm sorry, 3 leaves of culantro. These are 4 of these small sweet green peppers, and this is 1 cup of cilantro. Now, I didn't have fresh garlic. I thought I did, and I went to the supermarket today just to make this chicken, and I didn't get the garlic. But if you have fresh garlic, you can use 2 to 4 heads of garlic, depending on what you want to do. And if you don't have any of these, you can just use sofrito. You can make sofrito or buy store bought sofrito and just make sofrito if that's easier for you. Just get like a rice spoonful or whatever much you want to use. We're going to use garlic powder. We're going to use you guys know I like the seasoning. It's like adobo, but it's not as salty. I'm going to use some olives, probably just whatever's left in here. Some tomato sauce, and this is one I already used, so we're just going to use a couple of tablespoons. 1 packet of sazon, 1 packet of accent, and a couple of bay leaves. I'm going to start off with my seasonings light because I'm not adding water to this. I'm going to let the chicken release its natural juices, because that's the way I was taught by my grandfather, my mother's father, that you don't add water to stewed chicken, Pollo Guisado. So that's why I'm not going heavy with the seasonings until I see how much liquid is actually produced by the chicken, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, and this is a 1 whole chicken that I have my butcher cut up for me today, so it's already been rinsed and ready for us to prepare it. All right, so we're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add it to our pan that's already been heating up. Okay, so to that we're going to start off by adding our onions. Chicken to my pan. And I leave the skin on mine. If you don't want the skin, you can take the skin off of yours. You want to put your stove down to a medium heat. So I'm going to put mine at a 6. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. tablespoons of garlic powder. I'm gonna try to get it in there without putting it all over the chicken. Oh yeah, I spilled some of it. I'm not gonna fill this one so much. So 2 tablespoons. And I spilled it again, so that's like 2 tablespoons. Oh my God. About 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle my sazon. And my accent. Let me get it open. Now I'm gonna give my chicken a quick flip. Sprinkle some pepper. Okay, I'm gonna take about 2 bay leaves out. And I'm just flipping everything back over. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it covered for about maybe 20 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, I'm going to peel some potatoes that I'm going to be adding to my chicken stew. Alright guys, it's been exactly 25 minutes and this is all of the natural juices that our chicken has released. Isn't that delicious? I'm just giving the chicken a flip before adding my potatoes. Let me get a spoon, I want to just taste it. Alright, I want to see how it tastes. Oh my God, it's delicious. I don't need to add anything else. This is 3 potatoes. You don't have to add potatoes in yours. You can add less potatoes or more. You can add carrots, corn. Growing up, we always had it with the potatoes and carrots, but my kids don't like carrots. They are cooked, they eat them raw. And so that's why I don't put them in. And I'm not sure if I have corn, but I'm just gonna add the potatoes. Like this. The olives are optional. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this up. My chicken is almost done. So I'm gonna cover this up until the potatoes get tender. So I don't know, maybe about another 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'll come back and check mine. Alright guys, so it cooked an extra 20 minutes. Our potatoes are done. So altogether it cooked, let me see, for 45 minutes. And if you want it more liquid than the liquid that the chicken has already produced on its own, you can add wine. I love to add wine to mine. I didn't have any wine to add, so that's why I didn't add it. I also like adding a beer to it, so you can add a beer to it, or you can add some chicken stock as well if you like. So it's up to you. So this is it. Dinner is served. I'm going to make everybody's plate, and then I'll be back with the plate. Make sure that you give it a try. It's comfort food at its best. I love stewed chicken, pollo guisado with white rice and aguacate, and that's how we're having it today. Okay, so I'll be back. Guys, so this is my plate. Of course, I go for the wing. I love the wing, and I like the sauce on my rice. And this is my dinner. That chicken, look how juicy, and it's so tender, and the potatoes, delicious. You know, my avocado, I can eat it every day, 3 times a day. All right, guys, so if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in comments how you like it. I always like to hear feedback from you guys, so thank you. I would appreciate it. Other than that, if you haven't already and you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. I am going to be eating my dinner as I finish this tutu. Gotta finish that tutu. And I have over here, on that table, I have everything lined up for tomorrow. So I feel like I'm getting places, guys, okay? So, all right, guys, so make sure to give this recipe a try. Yum! To the next video. Bye.